We are pleased to show you the 2016
Buick Envision.
This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, tire pressure monitor, fog lamps, luggage rack, daytime running lamps. Inside you'll find keyless start, cruise control, cup holders, floor mats.
Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top.
Rediscover the joy of driving